Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today I'm excited because we are going to bring back in the minis. I haven't done them in about a month or so, so I'm excited to bring them back. We've got $20 in ones that we're working with today. So I've got 5 games that we're playing on, and I'm going to roll a 4-sided die. We're going to work our way through them. So first one's going to get 2. I wanted to bring them back. I needed something different. We got rid of them last month so that I could finish up my Disney collab in time. So now that we're done with that, and I'm not in a super big rush to get my Water Wars done, I can go ahead and play these again. So I'm pretty excited. Wanted a 2, got a 1. You can get what you get. All right, let's get these stacked up. I do have some buyback money as per my usual, so we can get some of our ones back to play with again next time. All righty, let's go ahead and start with this one right here. This one, I'm not sure who it's from. It's a freebie on their coffee account, but they didn't put their name on it, and I've had them for a while. So we're doing $1 for each of the pretty kitty cat paws. It says, in ancient times, cats were worshipped as gods. They have not forgotten this. And as a previous cat owner, I can 100% guarantee that that is true. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 kitty cat paws we're going to start with. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so we will not be condensing that one just yet. Maybe next time around. This one is from Budgeting with Lysandra, and it says, thanks for being friends with me. Questionable life choice, but I appreciate it. All right, so for the little chicken heads, we're going to do $2, and for the blank ones, we're going to do $1, right? Yes, and it'll save us $21. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yay, $6. So let's go 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Get to do the whole top row. Next up, we've got this one from Beezy's Things. We're going to do $2 for each of the circles, and it'll save us $10. So let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know me, I don't do rollover, so we're just going to do $4. So we'll color in 2 of our circles by the beautiful butterflies. And no condensing on that one today. Next up, we've got this one, Hey There Savings. I think his name is Heya. I'm not positive on that. I've only seen this one once. But we're going to do $1 for each of the pretty stones there. And this is from Budgeting with Amanda. And we've got $2. So 1, 2. Or no, his name's Hey Hey. That's his name. Totally wrong on that one. All right. Next up, we've got this one from The Secret Budgeter. And we're doing 25 cents, $2 for each of the lasagnas for Garfield. And that'll save us $16. Now, I'm going to say something that's going to offend some people here. I've got $3, so we're going to bring this extra one in so we can do 2 of them. I do not like lasagna. I am not a pasta girly for the most part. It's just not. I didn't grow up eating it, and so I don't enjoy it. It's not my thing. My husband loves pasta, loves lasagna, all those things. So, poor man. He just doesn't get them very often. That's usually something he gets from his family. But alrighty, friends, that is it for our individual minis. We will work on that some more next week, but let me get my Water Wars pulled out and we will get started on that. Give me just a minute, friends. Alrighty, friends, I hope you can see everything okay. We're doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, I Declare a Water War. It's a collab between all of these wonderful creators right here. So take yourself a screenshot, or it will be set off here to the side while I play. And for our Water Wars, if you played the Snowball Challenge, it's basically the same thing, but now we're throwing water balloons for the summertime. I have $30 that I'm bringing in to play on here today. And where's my cards? I'm missing one of the most integral parts of the game. We have each person who created it created a board that you play on, and then they created 2 of the little playing tokens that goes with it. I laminated mine, and I put some paper behind them because I double printed on some paper. You know, as one does, trying to save some paper. But, alrighty, friends, I am going to go ahead. We're going to give this a quick little shuffle, and then we will see what we get. There are 2 for each of these, and it looks like they're now mixed all around, so should be a fun adventure to see what we get. All right, first up, first person getting hit by a water balloon today. I know some people mark where they left off. I start fresh each day that we play. So we've got Save with Glow is going to be our first water balloon casualty. Let's see. And it's really nice because the ladies put tabs on the top now, so it's so much easier for us to do it. Mine is a little wonky. I've got little A6 binders that I've got these game boards taped to. So, you know, we're working with what we're working with. So, we're going to go ahead and do a pink color today. And we got a 4. I'm just rolling a 4-sided die is what I decided. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't remember if that's what I did last time I played or I can't remember what I played last week, but that's what I'm doing. And a D4, so we got 3. I don't know why I got this over here. We can just move that right out of our way. So $3 for Save with Glow for a D4, and then let's see where we're going next. We keep going till we hit a pile of water balloons. So we got a 1. Oh, those are cute. They're balloons filled with water. Oh, I love it. Very clever, Glow. Good job. 2. 1, 2. Okay, so we've got our water balloons. Now, well, let's just do it that way. We'll just start in this corner first on each one. I'm like, do I do this corner this week? Or what do we do? But we're going to do it that way. Don't mind me, friends. I'm crazy. This game is always me trying to figure out what I'm doing. Next up, we are going to go to Sharla Mae Budgets. She's the next one to get hit with a water balloon. So where you at, Sharla? There she is. And I always start over at the start each time. So, ooh, that is a 2. 1, 2. Nice. So $2. And then we've got a 1. Oop, so we hit one of our little water balloon kids there. And that is a D4. So what I decided to put watching this back is if we hit splash, I'm going to go to the next available kid. That's my plan. And we got a 1. So we're going to save a 1 now. And once we've hit all 3 children, that sounds really bad. Once we've hit all 3 children with water balloons, we will cross off splash is what I've decided. All right, then we got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we hit some water balloons. Off to our next one. She threw a water balloon, and she hit Becca Budget 777. Where you at, Becca? Not in the front there. There she is. I love me some Golden Girls, so I love this one. All right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And palm trees, so much fun. $2 there. We got a 1, so 4. So let's put 1 back and grab our 5 that we brought in. And then a 1. Ooh, we are making some progress. That's usually the kiss of death. And a 1. So, yep, we hit a pile of water balloons. So next, we're going to Lift It Up and Living. Tara, where are you at, Tara? There she is with her cute little sea turtle. I love it. 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to roll a D3. So I don't have one of those, so I'm going to roll my D4 and we'll go till we get a 3 or less. We got a 1. That'll work. All right, next. 2. 1, 2. Move ahead 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to leave that one open because it doesn't really hurt anything, and it's just something fun to play. So $1, $2, $3. 2, 1, 2, womp womp. We hit ourselves a pile of snowballs. See, I keep wanting to say that. A pile of water balloons. Sorry, friends, it's going to take me a minute. And she threw one and she hit BrzysBudgets. Where you at, B? There she is. And that is Brooke over at BrzysBudgets. And we got 1, 2. So we've got a 1. Hope you can see it all right. 2, 1, 2. We got another 1. Why am I coloring in the corners? Oh, goodness. I'm so used to hitting the water balloons. We're just going to ignore I did that, you know. Don't pay any attention, what is it, to the man behind the curtain. Or the ding-dong writing in the corners of the squares. All right, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2. Let's go ahead and cross that one off, Teresa. Good job, good job. Then 3, 1, 2, 3. And we did, now we'll do the corner because we hit ourselves a pile of water balloons. Or a bucket of balloons. Next, we're going to go to Lacey at Blue Kiwi Budgets. I feel like she is right up in the front. So where are we going with you today, Lacey? We got a 3. 1, 2, 3. We got $2. Okay. And then a 3 again. 1, 2, 3. We got $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got $2 left. And the way I play is if we hit something that it can't fulfill, 1, 2, 3, like that, a 3, we can't do it. She just gets the $2 and I don't cross it off because I don't want to have an IOU and I don't want to have to pull it from my extra savings. So she just gets a little extra in her savings account there. So, whoop, whoop. Again, we didn't get through hardly any of them. But that is okay. So we played with $30 today. We had $50 last week. So clearly it's just, you know, who knows what you're going to get from me. Let's bring out our buyback money here and see if we can do any condensing. So Blue Kiwi Budgets, Lacey, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. $6, $7, $8. That was my only 5 though. So hopefully I don't need any more, or I'll get some more first. Nothing from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Nothing from Anna Banana Budgets. Sharla Mae Budgets got $3. Budgeting with a Ginger. We had nothing there. Nothing for Saving with Tiffany. Crisscross Budgets. Mint Dough Co. So Lifted Up and Living. We got Tara there. She got 1, 2, 3, $4. And she's got a 5 in there, so that's $9 she's at now. Nice. Save with Glow got 1, 2, 3, $4. Becca Budget 777. She got $5, $6, $7. Nice. And she had some last time, so let's see. What do we got now? We now have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ooh, she's getting close to a 20, friends. I do love that. Nothing for Pink Plum Budgets. BrzysBudgets. She got 1, 2, 3, $4 for her cute little otters. So adorable. And then we didn't have anything for Sassy Ginger Budgets or for Punky Pennies. So still lots of them to get, friends. But this was a quick one, I know. But we were able to save a little bit in our minis, get those restarted, and make a little progress in our water war. Because like I said, I'm not in like a crazy rush to get this completed. Probably by the end of summer, but it's not saving for any one particular thing. So I wanted to bring my minis back in too, so we can save in those as well, so we can maybe get some quick wins as we go. But all right, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.